Let's locate the sartorius muscle. It can be found, the origin is up here. Let's zoom in, and it's actually right here, highlighted, sartorius muscle. The origin, let's zoom in on the origin. So the origin attachment is at the anterior superior iliac spine and a little bit superior part of the notch inferior to it. Now let's locate the distal attachment. So we follow the sartorius muscle all the way down, and it passes the entire femur all the way down here. Let's zoom in. It attaches to the superior part of the medial surface of the tibia, right here, highlighted. The sartorius muscle is innervated by the femoral nerve, right here, L2, L3. And the action of the sartorius muscle, it flexes and abducts and laterally rotates the thigh at the hip joint. It also flexes the leg at the knee joint. And lastly, it can also medially rotate the leg when the knee is flexed. Thank you for viewing.